Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best glue for glass review. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.
Starting at number 5, Glass Super Glue Liquid. Think super glue can't fix glass seamlessly? Think again. I'm a professional repair specialist with years of hands-on experience. Many believe glass repairs always leave visible marks or weak spots. But most glues fail because they aren't made for glass or multi-materials. Introducing Glass Super Glue Liquid, engineered for crystal clear bonding. Its cyanoacrylate formula creates invisible strong bonds in seconds. Simply apply, press, and watch it dry clear within 30 to 60 seconds. The anti-clog cap ensures smooth, precise application every single time. It's waterproof and heat-resistant, perfect for kitchens and aquariums. I've repaired glass vases, mugs, and even fish tanks with lasting results. No cracks, no cloudiness, just flawless, durable repairs every time. It also bonds ceramics, plastic, wood, metal, and more. Works on rough, uneven, or vertical surfaces with professional strength. Don't settle for weak or messy glue. Choose reliability and clarity. Restore your glassware and crafts with confidence. Try Glass Super Glue Liquid today. Repair smarter, not harder. Number 4, Glass Glue Clear Repair. Heavy duty 30 gram. Ever shattered your favorite glass? Watch this magic fix. Introducing Bondtech Super Glass Glue, clear, strong, and fast. Oops, broken vase? No panic, let's repair it invisibly. Just a drop from the precision nozzle. No mess, no waste. Look, it bonds glass, acrylic, mirrors, even crystal crafts. Tiny nozzle droppers reach the trickiest, smallest cracks. No more clogging. Anti-clog cap keeps glue fresh, always. Rain or shine, this glue is waterproof and heat-resistant. Bondtech cures in just 45 seconds, fast and reliable. Invisible finish means flawless repairs every single time. Perfect for DIYers, crafters, and home emergencies alike. Large 30 gallon bottle, use every drop, no drying out. Just clean, apply, press, done. Wait 24 hours for max strength. Restore, create, and innovate. No limits with Bondtech. Don't toss it, fix it. Grab your Bondtech Super Glass Glue today. Number 3, Gorilla Super Glue with brush. Meet Gorilla. Super Glue, the multi-tool of sticky situations. 2 ways to glue, precision nozzle or fine brush. Fancy, right? It dries in 10 to 45 seconds, faster than your morning coffee order. Impact tougher formula. Like a tiny bodyguard for your repairs. Bonds nearly everything, plastic, metal, wood, ceramic, rubber, paper. But sorry, it's picky. No polyethylene or polypropylene plastics allowed. Anti-clog cap with a metal pin keeps glue fresh, not fossilized. One drop covers a whole square inch. Talk about efficiency. No clamps needed, just press and hold for a few seconds. Perfect for DIY crafts, household fixes, and spontaneous superhero moments. Store in a cool, dry place. Your fridge is not invited. Easy cleanup. Wipe the brush and bottle after each use. Engineered for long-lasting bonds, even if you're a serial fixer. Gorilla Super Glue. Because your projects deserve a gorilla's grip, ready to stick with the best? Grab yours and get bonding. Number 2, Gorilla Super Glue. Ever had something break right when you need it most? I used to dread quick fixes, messy glue, weak hold. But then I found Gorilla Super Glue. This stuff is seriously strong and sets in seconds. It works on almost everything. Wood, metal, ceramic, plastic, rubber. No more waiting forever for glue to dry. Just a drop covers an inch. Super efficient. The anti-clog cap means it's always ready, no dried up mess. Let me show you. Here's a broken mug handle. A tiny drop, press together and count to 10. Done. It's solid and the bond is crystal clear. Dropped it by accident, still holding strong, impact tough. Perfect for quick repairs, crafts, or last-minute fixes. Now I keep a tube in my kitchen and toolbox. If you want fast, reliable fixes, try Gorilla Super Glue. Trust me, it's the last glue you'll ever need. Number 1, Loctite Glass Glue. Tired of broken glassware ruining your day? I've got you covered. First reason, Loctite Glass Glue bonds all types of glass instantly. It works on clear, tinted, brown, opaque, and stained glass. Second reason, this glue dries totally clear for invisible repairs. No more ugly glue marks on your favorite glass pieces. Third reason, it's waterproof, heat-resistant, and dishwasher safe. Fix glasses, vases, or crystal, and use them every day worry-free. No clamping needed, just apply and let it set. Super easy. Perfect for quick home fixes, DIY crafts, or professional repairs. Each pack comes with 6 tubes, so you're always prepared. Works on glass, metal, and even certain plastics. So versatile. Repairs are durable, lasting through daily use and cleaning. Don't let broken glass slow you down. Repair it in seconds. Ready to make your glassware look brand new again? Tap the link, grab your Loctite glass glue, and start fixing today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.